What's up, homies? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kalima, and in today's video we will be making fried chicken. I really do like fried chicken. I don't care what anybody says, fried chicken is the bomb, okay? Once you get a good fried chicken. Today I'll be putting mine in the air fryer, so it's gonna be simple. So let's get cooking. Yes.
The first thing you're gonna do is wash and clean and soak your chicken. I did that earlier, and I'm poking holes in my chicken legs. I'm using 6 pieces just to make sure the flavor is in there when I put it in. Now let's make the spice rub. So I'm gonna start with 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of mustard powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, and I'm mixing dried thyme and oregano together. I'm gonna mix that all together. And then you're just gonna pour it all over your chicken. I dried my chicken well with paper towel, make sure the skin was dried, and then I'm just gonna pour this all over and work it in. That's why you need clean hands. Now you're gonna beat 1 egg, and I'm using half and half, so I'm gonna use half a cup of half and half and mix it together. This is gonna give you a nice crunch on your chicken, and then just pour that over your chicken. Now you can use a Ziploc bag to put this in. You want to make sure it's submerged, and I just skip it in the bowl like that. Now you're gonna put cling wrap over it, and you're gonna refrigerate it for 2 to 4 hours. After the 4 hours, you come back, you set your air fryer to 400 degrees for like 15 minutes and let it go. And now we're gonna make the flour for dredging the chicken. Dredging. 2 cups of flour. Now I know I went a little bit crazy here with the flour, but I rather feel safe than sorry. I added salt, garlic powder, onion powder, a teaspoon of paprika, some black pepper, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of dried thyme, and I'm kind of breaking it apart there because I have the whole leaf dried thyme. Mix it in. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of cornstarch, or you could put 2 tablespoons. This is going to help with the crunch as well. Now you take your chicken out, give it a little shake, and then you're going to put it into the flour, your flour mixture, and you're going to really cover it up. Now I put all this other spices in my chicken because I wanted it to be doubled flavored, or doubled seasoning, whatever you call it. I want it to be twice tasty. I'm going to spray some cooking spray over it like this, and I like dry thyme, so I'm putting a little bit more there, so when I fry it I can actually see the thyme popping out in between. Do not overcrowd your air fryer. I'm putting more thyme there too. And that's it. You plug it in, and you're gonna let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Make sure you flip it halfway through. As your chicken, make sure that it's well cooked. And I'm telling you, when you take it out, it's gonna be super juicy on the inside, and it's gonna have that nice crunch. This was absolutely amazing. It tasted delicious. Okay, so I only use 6 legs, but next time you can use more. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. Bye.